Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 joystick drift. This frustrating issue causes your character or camera to move without input, often due to dust, debris, or general wear inside the analog stick module. Before we begin, gather your tools: a small Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and 70% isopropyl alcohol. Compressed air, or an electronics cleaning spray, will also be very helpful for a thorough cleaning of the components. With your tools ready, begin by carefully inserting your plastic prying tool under the black faceplate of the DualSense controller. Gently work your way around the edges to unclip it, then set the faceplate aside. Next, locate and remove the 4 small Phillips head screws on the back of the controller. Once the screws are out, carefully separate the 2 main halves, being mindful of the ribbon cable connecting them. Disconnect this ribbon cable with extreme care before proceeding. Now that your controller is open, you will see the circuit board with the 2 analog stick modules clearly visible. Focus on the stick that is experiencing the drift. Use your compressed air or electronics cleaner to thoroughly spray into the small gaps around the base of the analog stick, dislodging any accumulated dust or debris. Follow this by dipping a cotton swab into 70% isopropyl alcohol and carefully wiping around the moving parts and contacts of the stick's mechanism for a deep clean. Once you have finished cleaning, carefully reassemble your controller by reconnecting the ribbon cable and snapping the 2 halves back together. Secure them with the 4 Phillips head screws, then reattach the black faceplate until it clicks firmly into place. Connect your controller to your PlayStation 5 and navigate to the system's accessory settings to calibrate it. Test it thoroughly in a game. Regular external cleaning with compressed air can help prevent drift from returning in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.